Hello, Betty leaves, also known as boy leaf. Marami po itong benefit sa ating katawan. Gamot po ito sa cancer, diabetes at marami pang iba. Kaya kung mayroon kayo nito sa inyong bahay, alagaan nyo mga lods. Good health and stay healthy everyone.